In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook profile frame using Canva. We'll walk through each step together to ensure by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make a personalized frame that you can easily use on Facebook. Let's dive in and get started. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to your Canva main menu. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a fantastic design tool that's user-friendly and perfect for professionals and beginners alike. Now, once you're on your Canva dashboard, take note of the main menu options. This is where all your creative projects live, and it's your gateway to launching new designs. Next up, locate and click on the Create button. This is a crucial step as it opens up a world of design templates and options for you. In the search bar that appears, enter Facebook Frame. Doing so will pull up several template options specifically tailored for Facebook frames. Canva provides a wide variety of pre-made designs, but what we're looking for is something more specific to help you create your Facebook profile frame. After searching, you'll want to select Facebook Profile Frame. Selecting this option is key because it automatically adjusts your Canva document to the appropriate size, ensuring it fits perfectly as a Facebook frame. This auto-sizing feature is an example of Canva's usefulness in eliminating guesswork, making sure your designs not only look professional, but are functional and ready for upload without the need for resizing. And that's it. You've now created a Canva document that's precisely set for a Facebook frame. This simple setup allows you to dive right into the fun part, designing. You can now explore all the creative elements Canva has to offer, from adding personalized text, exploring diverse color palettes, to inserting unique graphics that reflect your style and message. Feel free to experiment with elements, adjust the colors, and overall make it yours. Remember, the goal is to create something that represents you or your brand, and Canva's tools are designed to help you achieve just that with ease and flexibility. There you have it, a straightforward process to set up a Facebook profile frame in Canva. Whether you're creating a frame for personal use, a business, or an event, this foundational setup is something you'll find both rewarding and incredibly versatile. Now that you've gotten the hang of setting up your frame, the creative possibilities are endless. Enjoy designing, and don't forget to share your creations with your followers once you're done. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.